4 number, a student prepared 98.7 ml of LB broth media in 250 ml of volumetric flask. To this flask, he mixed 100 microliter of ampicillin. Okay, so this is the question of dilution. So they are asking what will be the nearest final concentration of X-gal or IPTG. So question is that one beaker is there which is of here 100 ml media is there, and there need to be added here ampicillin which is total 100 microliter we need to add from a stock of 100 mg per ml. So this is a stock of ampicillin whose concentration is 100 mg per ml. From here 100 microliter are added in this one, 100 microliter. So what will be the final concentration of this 100 microliter of ampicillin in this 100 ml media? So simple you have to calculate that 100 mg per ml is the final stock concentration, and the dilution, how much dilution is there? So 100 microliter is added in 100 ml. So 100 ml divided by 100 microliter, this will give dilution factor. So this we have to calculate this, and we have to convert ml into microliter. So we need to multiply with 1000, because we know that in 1 ml there is 1000 microliter. So now this is become microliter. 100 will be cancelled, microliter will be cancelled, so dilution factor will be 1000x. Okay, now 1000x is the dilution factor. So and what will be the final stock concentration? 100 mg. So 100 mg, this will get diluted if we are going to divide by 1000. So this will be the final concentration present over here. So this is 0.1 mg. So final concentration of ampicillin in this 100 ml flask is going to be 0.1 mg. So which is 0.1 mg? 0.1 mg. 0.1 mg is also known as 100 microgram. So we can see 100 microgram. This is 100 microgram, this is, so either option B or C will be there. So we need to calculate for the X-gal also. Let us calculate for the X-gal. X-gal, they are adding 2%, 1 ml of 2% are adding from the final concentration of 20. So stock concentration here they are given 20%, here 20% X-gal stock, 1 ml of 2% X-gal, 2%, it is not 20%, this is 2% X-gal stock concentration, and they are taking how much? 1 ml. So 100 ml is final volume. Dilution factor, if they are adding 1 ml, so dilution will be 100 times, 100 times will be dilution. So if we are dividing with 100, so final concentration will be 0.02%. So which one is 0.02? 100 ml is final volume of flask, they are adding 1 ml, so 100x dilution. Stock concentration is 2% divided by 100, so this will be 0.0% of X-gal. This is fine. Okay, moving to the next question, 85. A researcher did a following step in the experiment: isolated genomic DNA of microorganism, purified it, digested with the perform agarose gel electrophoresis, purified. Which experiment he was conducting? Okay, so isolation of DNA, okay, from microorganism, digestion of DNA with hint 3, perform agarose gel, and after electrophoresis transferred to the nitrocellulose membrane, gene-based radioactive probe of nitrocellulose, check his result autography. This is a direct step of Southern blotting. So answer will be Southern blotting. A answer. Northern blotting is done for RNA. Western blotting is done for protein. Moving to the next question. 86. During the formation of hybrid cells, B cells and the myeloma cells, for the production of monoclonal antibody, polyethylene glycol is used. Okay, polyethylene glycol is used. It is a glue kind of agent, and it is used for making the two cells close so that they can recombine. So it is help in fusion of B cells and myeloma cells. Answer will be C. Moving to the next question, 87. Synapses and chiasmata formation occur which stage of cell cycle? This is very common question. So this occurs always in meiosis, first prophase 1, and prophase is divided into, we know that, leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotin and dikinesis. In zygotene there is a synapsis occurs and chiasmata formation take place in pachytene. So answer will be directly C. Synapsis means closing of homologous chromosome, and next one, in that one they are forming chiasmata formation. This is known as chiasmata formation. So answer will be C. Moving to the next question, haploid set of chromosome, the number of chromosome in the gamete is known as. So haploid number of chromosome in the gamete is known as genome. Genome is the haploid set of chromosome. So answer will be D. Balbanian ring formation is characteristic feature of, this is very common question, polytene chromosome are having Balbanian ring, where the mitosis is happening but they are not, DNA is getting replicated but DNA is not getting separated. So answer will be first one. Which of the following antibiotic is the inhibitor of RNA synthesis? This is very common question given in the Lellinger book, that is the rifampicin. Answer will be rifampicin. Rifampicin is a inhibitor which blocks RNA polymerase and it binds to beta subunit. 91. Which of the following cannot excrete hypertonic urine but considerably reduce water loss in urine? This is example is bird. Bird cannot excrete hypertonic urine but it will reduce the water loss. So example, direct example is bird. Next one, stop codon. They are asking about the stop codon termination. So it is a UAA, UGA and UAG. Answer will be first one. Moving to next question. Question number 93. Closing of stomata happens due to secretion of abscisic acid by dehydration of dehydrated mesophyll cells. If you allow the transpiration of the plant in 1% of glycerol, what is the plant and the only control thing? Okay, so there is a two type of leaf. One leaf is having stomata and another leaf is having the stomata, but here the exposure of glycerine is there. So here pure water is there, pure water, and here water is in glycerine, water plus glycerine. So what will happen if pure water is there? So water will move in the atmosphere very easily, because we know that pure water means water potential is going to be maximum, and water moves from high water potential to low water potential. So here it is a negative, here it is a 0, so maximum value, so it will move easily in the case of pure water. But in the glycerol, since glycerol is added, water potential is now negative and outside it is more negative, so movement will be less. Always water move from high water potential to low water potential. So it is already low and it is more negative, so movement will be, because difference is less, so it will move slowly. But here, since it is a 0 and outside is -2, difference is maximum, it will move fast. So answer will be, in the case of pure water it will take quickly evaporation, and in the case of glycerin it will take late. So Stomata will remain open for longer time compared to control. First option is going to be correct, because in according to me, water loss will take more time, so more longer time the stomata will be open as compared to control, because water loss will be fast in this case, control one, this is control. So water movement will be faster, so it will close early stage, so answer will be first. High fluidity of thylakoid membrane compared to cell membrane in the plant is due to, so mobility of the membrane is increased by lipids, so here answer will be C directly. More rhamnolipids, less phospholipids, and more unsaturated, this all will increase the fluidity, so answer will be C.